You guys, it is officially the end of my spring semester. I could not be more happy. I am literally dying. Like, I am so freaking happy right now. But hey, hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to another vlog. So here's the deal. I haven't really vlogged in a little bit. I've just been putting out videos because I've been so crazy busy this semester. Advanced Nutrition Science 2 literally wanted to take me out. Like, it was trying its best to take me out. I just finished the final, I want to say like 30 minutes ago, and I got an A, so I have an A in the class. I am so freaking excited. It's the last thing that I had to do for the spring semester. So excited it's out of the way. But now I decided I would start a vlog because I'm happy and I'm in a great mood and I want to take you guys along with me for the day. So let's just do a little outfit of the day really fast. So I have currently my Lululemon Aligns on. I have my Tory Burch sandals on, but I don't know if I want to wear these ones from Target, but I have my Target tank on. You know I love this. And the Rebecca Minkoff purse I'm obsessed with. So this is my little outfit of the day. I'm sorry I can't get it all into one frame. Maybe if I back up. Hello. So cute. I just wanted, like, you know, a bunch of shades of brown today. That's what I'm feeling. Super pretty, super cute. This I just kind of like drape off to the side and it looks really cute. Kind of like a French tuck, but not really. All right guys, let's go to Target. I forget how unenjoyable Target is when you have a mask on. Sorry if the air is loud. Oh my gosh, I was sweating to death. It was so busy, so that wasn't the relaxing trip I thought I was gonna have, but I'll show you what I got anyway. Little impromptu haul. I got this really cute basket. I decided on this one. I originally found one for $5 in the dollar section, but this one was just way cuter. And I need it for when I film videos. I put all the makeup that I use on my desk, so I remember to link it for you guys, and I don't like doing that just because it makes it really messy really fast. So I got this to put all my makeup in. This will be our next errand. And I ended up getting this bathing suit to try. It's super cute. I'll try it on and see if it fits. It's just a cropped little leopard print moment, which we know I love leopard print. I got 2 of my premium cotton rounds. This is how I remove my makeup. It's my favorite. And then I got this purse, this crossbody bag for Nick's sister for her birthday. It was super cute. I wanted to get her more. I wanted to get her like a wallet and some jewelry, but nothing was like sticking out to me. And also when you're buying for like a 13-year-old, she's like turning 13, it's hard because you never know what they like. You don't want to buy the wrong thing. So I'm going to keep the receipt just in case she doesn't like this, but I think it's super simple, super cute. And I asked her what color she wanted, and she wanted tan. Because I was like, do you want tan? Do you want black? What are you feeling? So yeah, we're going to try that one out. But I'm going to go to Nick's mom's house now because I have to run a few errands. I have to drop some stuff off and pick some stuff up. So yeah, I'm just going to be running my errands today. All the happiness kind of fizzled from that test just because it was so hectic in there. So I need another coffee. I need to stop sweating. Literally, my upper lip just feels like watery. There is a random truck pulling through this field. So I'm in the parking lot at Target. Did you see the truck over there? So Target is over here. And then there's randomly this just like empty field. It's so funny. But okay, I am going to go run my errands now. So I will see you guys soon. I got my pistachio latte with almond milk. It is so good. This is like the drink that I get when I'm celebrating. I don't drink this all the time because there's like sugar in it. I mean, obviously you do you. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. I normally just do like stevia and almond milk. And I normally ask for 1 pump less of their syrup, but this time I didn't, and it's a little bit too sweet for me, so I'm gonna go back to doing the 1 pump less than they normally use, but it's so good. I love, love, love. Definitely try the pistachio latte if you haven't. If you like pistachios. If you don't like pistachios, like whatever, you're not gonna like this, but I love it. I just got back home. I want to show you guys what I got. People are staring at me. Love that for me. Okay, make sure my address isn't shown. I got some stuff from Fabletics, so I'm gonna open this really fast and then I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys inside just because this is like a hot mess. I have like stuff everywhere now just from my travel. So let me get inside and then I'll show you guys what I got. And it's a little exclusive for you vlog members because everybody who watches my vlogs, you always get like the information early. Whatever I'm doing, you guys already know because like I vlog about it. So It's just a little thank you for watching my vlogs, that you always know what's going on for my videos. Okay, so the first thing I got from Fabletics were these leggings. And I love how the butt has that little detailing where it goes in. And which ones are these? These are the Oasis high-waisted 7/8 with pockets. And I did not pay $75 for these. I think it was $24.99 for like both of them total. So that's a good deal. And that's just like my makeup rag. Don't worry about that. And that's the makeup I used in my last video, which is why I got this basket. And the other thing I got to try were their biker shorts. Now I just bought some from Lululemon to compare with them. These would be $44.95 if I didn't get them for like the 12 bucks. But these are the high-waisted power hold short, 9 inches. So we'll have to see. Sorry if you can hear that. That's Buddy squeaking his toy. He's excited. But yeah, these are kind of like athletic. So we'll see how they turn out. So yeah, that is what I just got from Fabletics. And I'm gonna do a collective haul, like a couple things that I've been buying, like clothing piece wise. And I think that video will go up this coming Thursday. I think I'll make that Thursday's video. So yeah, I will show you guys the pieces I've been buying, and I'll show them on. I know right now I'm just like, he's coming for my vlog. He wants to be part of the vlog. Hold on. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, good guy? Are you squeaking? Yeah. He's happy. Yeah, so I'll do a try on haul for you guys soon. But I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit. I'm hungry. I need to make some lunch, so I'm gonna do that now. Sip on my drink, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hello friends, it is now, what day is it? Thursday. I just hung out with my mom all day and it was so fun. I love her so much. I wish I could have vlogged, but like I get so in the moment. I've told you guys that before. I get so in the moment that I forget to even take out my camera, and like I always laugh about it with Nick because he has ADHD, so his brain's always everywhere, but I get like laser focused. I'm like the exact opposite problem. Like I can't stop thinking about just one thing. It's so funny. But yeah, so behind me, I don't know if you can see, ignore my desk. I have so much going on right now. But behind me, I have a clothing rack I need to put together. So we can do that together. That would be really fun. Since I do all my clothing hauls, I thought it would be a good idea. And also, I just got my mom this gift I've been working on, which is why I just picked up the camera. I'm working on her Mother's Day gift. So let me show you what I have going on. Again, just ignore everything I have on here right now. But I got her this frame. She has like a blue and kind of like coastal theme going on in her house. So I got her this. I'm gonna put a picture of us in it. And then here's the bag. I got her best mom ever. And so right there, it's a really pretty blue candle. It smells so good. And then I got her, all right, I know this just looks like a jug, and it is, but I got this to go with the picture frame and the blue candle to make like a little scene. I'm kind of trying to help her decorate her house and make it really pretty. So I thought I would like do this little layered setup for one of her, I keep trying to call it a nightstand. An end table. It is an end table, a side table, whatever you want to call it. For in her living room, she has this little side table. So I'll take a picture when I set this up for her on Mother's Day, and it's not, I don't even know what Mother's Day is. I just wanted to get this out of the way because I don't like to be last minute. I'm still on top of things. So yeah, I got this little frame thing. I need to pick out a picture. And then I also went to Starbucks and I got a gift card to go with Nick's sister's little purse that I got her. So, and this is gonna be up after her birthday, so it's totally fine if she sees this, so haha. But all right, yeah, I just want to check in with you guys and show you this little gift that I got. I'll show you the candle too, hold on. So it's this calming candle that has notes of driftwood, tropical florals, and sandy musk. And so I was about to take this off so you could smell it, but I don't think you can smell that. I just liked how it was like a little bit beachy, because she's not going with like a full beach theme. She's kind of going with like that coastal kind of like natural-esque theme. So yeah, I thought this would be cool to like layer on her table and it would look really pretty and cute. So that's what I have going on. Good morning, friends. It is, what day is it? I think it is Saturday. It's Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. So yesterday we had Megan's birthday party and it was so fun. I showed you the little clip of her getting happy birthday sung to her. I should have taken a vlog of the hibachi, but again, laser focus, I totally forgot to take out my phone. So I will get better. Just give me some time and eventually it'll click. So yeah, so I still have my sleepy voice. I need to go get a coffee. So that is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get a coffee, and I cleaned my entire living room, kitchen, dining room area yesterday, and today I need to work on my room. So that's the goal for today, is to just clean. But I still wanted to check in with you guys and say hi and tell you what I'm up to. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get my normal coffee, not my pistachio coffee. Okay, so I'm in my dining room right now. I'm literally in Nick's gaming chair, whatever this is, work chair, because it's no longer in his office and it's way more comfy than our dining room chairs. So that's why I'm using that one. But I wanted to meal plan with you guys because I don't want the stuff in our fridge to go bad because we just did a lot of grocery shopping. So I figured we could just do a little bit of meal planning together. I am obviously in comfort mode today. I have my UCF shirt on. I'm wearing a sports bra. I have my Lululemon Aligns on. I'm not going for cute today. That is just not happening. I basically want to just put something so I know what meals I want to make on the fridge so I don't forget and then we don't end up ordering out because we do that sometimes. So I know for sure when I want to do chicken piccata, and we have this gluten-free pasta. Oh, you can't even see that. Hold on. Okay, so chicken piccata with gluten-free pasta and broccoli. And then I also know we have, I want to make the jalapeno whole chicken. I get this dip from Trader Joe's. It has jalapenos in it with green beans and rice. And then I want to do my healthy fried rice. Fried rice, dumplings, and veggies. And I get those from Costco, and the fried rice I just do like brown rice and like add in an egg and soy sauce, so it's like probably not really fried rice, but whatever. And then I have broccoli and fresh veggies in the fridge, and I think we'll keep it here. Those are like 3 good meals, and I can get leftovers out of those. That was probably the worst angle ever, and I'm sorry, but if you couldn't see it, here is my list. So here is an update on my life. So we are moving in literally 3 months. Oh, and by the way, I'm building that clothing rack now. So that's what I'm doing while I talk to you about my life updates. So I'm moving to a different city in Florida for school. My school has been online so far. So we're moving. And moving takes a lot out of me. We've moved a lot, as you guys know. I feel like on this channel, I've talked about every time I've moved. Hold on, Nick is calling me. Okay, I am back. I'm like doing this so backwards because I'm trying to film. Anyway, long story short, I'm finally gonna be doing classes in person, and that requires me moving to a different city a couple hours away. So, you know what? Let me get this out of here and then we'll talk. I'm struggling. Okay, so the issue I'm running into is this thing came with no directions on how to put it together, so I'm kind of going in here blind. I'm assuming I have to remove these. But yeah, so I'm moving and I'm really stressed about it. And yesterday, the reason why I didn't vlog a lot was because in essence, I had a panic attack over it. I don't do well with change. You guys might know that. It's something I worked through, but I like started freaking out because I'm like, oh my God, I have to move like so soon. Am I gonna be ready? And then just like the financials of it sometimes is tricky because we're gonna have to pay for 2 apartments at once for one of the months. Anyway, long story short, everything will be fine, but I am not great with news that feels kind of sudden, and this felt kind of sudden to me. Even though it really isn't sudden, I have 3 months. It's just, I've just moved so much, it's so stressful, and there's like so much that goes into moving. I'm not looking forward to it, to be honest with you. Like, I'm looking forward to getting out of Orlando because I am not a fan of Orlando anymore. Yeah, so here's our 2 pieces that I need to somehow get together myself. Okay, so I finished the rack and it looks really good. Let me show you. It's not staying here obviously, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so there's the rack behind me. You can see it in my vacuum because I'm cleaning. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up what I'm telling you guys because apparently I cannot do things and talk to you guys at the same time. It's either one or the other. I can either show you something or do it. Like I said, laser focus. Back to the story, back to what we were getting at. So I'm moving. I'm very, very stressed about it. And so I decided I need to start like purging my stuff. I need to start trying to sell more of my clothes on Poshmark. I already have a ton of stuff on Poshmark that I'm selling, but when we moved in here, I had literally like 75 pieces or 100 pieces that I needed to put on Poshmark, but it just takes time and I got so busy. So in essence, I'm going to be giving a lot of clothes to my mom, my sister. I'm going to donate a lot, and then I'm going to put the rest on Poshmark, and maybe we can do that together in a different vlog. But for now, I'm starting to like throw things away and donate things that we didn't end up ever using in this apartment. And so that means I'm definitely not buying any more decor or fixing up this place. I'm literally just going to continue on. And also, so the whole reason why this stresses me out is because I have summer classes. I have a full load this summer, and along with work and everything, it's always hard to just do life things along with classes. It just always is for anybody. It's just a lot on my plate. I'm gonna be a little bit stressed. I'm going to try to manage that stress, reel it in, and understand that everything will happen, everything will work out. Life is still gonna keep on rolling. I'm like half in the light and half not. I'm gonna be doing some moving content for you guys. Maybe we'll do like a whole spring cleaning of my beauty products and like current clothes in my closet. Anyway, it was very long-winded to say that moving content is coming. And I'm still gonna be doing my regular videos, like my regular fashion videos and my makeup and lifestyle and maybe some college, day in the life, blah, blah, blah. But we'll keep doing these vlogs so I can show you my moving process. And hopefully we can do an apartment hunt together. That would be super fun because I also need to start looking for apartments not in Orlando. But all right, you guys, I'm gonna sign off for now. This vlog is gonna be too long if I don't, and I have so much that I wanna get done today. So I will see you guys in the next vlog, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.